SOLIDWORKS can bring your designs to life. SOLIDWORKS Simulation can take it a step further and make sure that your design intent is going to be properly achieved. With each new release, SOLIDWORKS adds new capabilities and improves existing features to make it the powerful suite of tools it is today. In this video, we'll be reviewing the enhancements to SOLIDWORKS Simulation in the 2024 release. This is just one video of a series where we are breaking down the enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2024. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe to be notified when our next video is posted. Now let's dive in. Starting off, we'll jump into the system options and notice that there is a new setting in the general section that allows you to save the file after meshing and after the analysis is completed. This is a huge time saver if there are any unexpected shutdowns while you are away and the meshing and simulation complete. Another new setting available in the Solver and Results section of the default options is the option to set the default behavior on whether or not to include or exclude the mesh and results when we copy a study. This will save time and hard disk space if you don't need these for the copied study. You can always adjust these on an as-needed basis every time a study is copied. Diving into our next enhancement, we'll first exclude the physical models of the sealed cartridge bearings from the model and insert a bearing connector to simulate this behavior. You'll notice that there is a new option for distributed coupling, which allows faces attached to the bearing to deform, which makes it much more realistic. We'll proceed with defining the lateral and axial stiffness and also a new option for tilt stiffness. Additionally, we have the option to define a value if we select a stabilized shaft rotation. We'll proceed with adding some forces and running the simulation, and you can now analyze your results. In review, in SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2024, you now have enhanced and more realistic bearing connectors. You can define the default behavior for copying FEA studies, and you have the option to save mesh and results automatically after completing. For a couple of bonus enhancements not shown in the demonstration, you can now plot areas where there are issues with contact convergence. And you can automatically copy the mesh to identical bodies when using the blended curvature-based mesher. The improvements to SOLIDWORKS Simulation in the 2024 release will help you become more efficient and provide more accurate results. The added ability to autosave meshes and results will be a big time saver and safeguard. Contact us if you are interested in learning more about getting up and running with the latest release of SOLIDWORKS, and be sure to subscribe to be notified when our next video is posted.